Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Make sure the Xbox is online and the controller is responsive. Power cycle the console if anything lags. Once done, gather the Microsoft account email or phone tied to the Xbox and ensure you can receive a verification code. Now sign out of console profiles if needed, then open Settings and go to Account, alternatively head to Account. Microsoft.com on a phone or PC. This starts you'll continue by selecting I forgot my password on the Microsoft sign-in page. Enter the account email or phone associated with your Xbox. Next, pick a verification method, email, SMS, or authenticator, and input the code you receive. Make sure the code matches exactly. Then create a strong new password that's unique and memorable for you, and confirm it. Once set, update your security info, add an alternate email or the authenticator app, because that prevents repeated lockouts later. You finish by signing back into the Xbox using the new password. Make sure the console fully syncs and then restart to apply settings. If sign-in still fails, remove the account from the console and re-add it or clear the system cache. This often resolves credential caching issues. If your account remains blocked or you can't verify ownership, contact Microsoft support and have proof ready, such as past purchase dates or subscription details, to regain access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.